Hi guys, and welcome back to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. I'm Ivo, and in today's tutorial we will explore advanced mapping using our expression feature. We will walk through two examples. First, combining data from two different nodes, and second, using an if statement to determine a return value based on other node values. Let's jump in. The expression feature comes with the license, and you don't need to start any other module. We can continue straight to the OPC UA server, where we are going to navigate to our node that we are going to add the expression to. So I right click on the variable, I select the expression. I'm going to add these two nodes together. I'm gonna sum the values, so I'm just gonna give the names for the variables like this. And I'm gonna save this expression now as template, so if I'm going to need this same kind of expression in the future, I can just use this template. Then I need to select the variables that I want to add. So here I will open the navigation menu, and I'm gonna sum up the nodes above the selected node. And just like that, we are ready with the configuration. We don't need to add any additional triggers. And the first example is ready, and we can verify whether we were successful. I'm gonna go to parameters folder, and I start to monitor all of these three variables. And as we can see, we have a value for every node. We are ready to continue to the second example, and for that I will create a new node under the error conditions, just to have a place for adding the new expression. I'm gonna create just a Boolean variable. Let's say it's gonna be error 1, like that, and I'm gonna save it. Then I will create this expression to the created variable, so I will select it. I could use the previous example from the templates, but now I'm gonna create an if statement. Let's say if our measurement is higher than 1, we are going to return true, and else we're gonna return false. So this expression takes Java expression language, JEXL, so you can create complicated business logic with it. This time I'm gonna just follow the boiler pressure steam variable, so I will use that for the mass, and again, no additional triggers needed, so I can just save this. And like we did previously, I will now check whether this implementation was successful. So I'll look for this object, and I will monitor the variable. And now we see we have a false value, but after the measurement gets above 1, we get the true value. That's it. The usage of expressions is very straightforward, even though you can solve even more complicated issues. In this example, we showed very basics to combine value and return state according to other measurement. In the next episode, we will learn to use the event mapper feature, which allows you to access data from OPC UA event. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.